Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use template in Capcut PC version. So all you have to do is open the Capcut.com. So if you download these Capcut apps, for example, and install on your PC here, you cannot use template in Capcut PC version. The software version in here, there is no Capcut, there is no template option in here. So to use template, you can go back to the Capcut and try to click on home button and try to sign in first. And here we go. This is the Capcut.com, a video editor based on web, not the software but based on web. Here we go. This is the templates I mentioned before that can use in PC version. You can choose the template that you want, or you can search manually, search the template that you want and use on your projects. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.